Hello. Hello, everyone. I'm Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. Welcome to my channel. Well, if you was with me yesterday, you know that we did Papi Chuto's makeover. So guess what? Today is the unmolding and the cutting for Papi Chuto. Stay with me, okay? Let's get to it. Okay, so let's begin. Here's our soap. So this has been 24 hours for the Papi Chuto makeover right here. And within 24 to 48 hours, you should be able to unmold your soap. So let's see. Let's see how we go here. So that's easy, right? Not hard at all. And your soap will let you know by pulling away from the sides. So let's see. Well, it's still somewhat wet and sticky, but I also live in a hot climate, so that's to be expected. Let's see here. We might have to wait another day if it doesn't release. And sometimes you can also put it in the freezer. It's just the sides. I'm looking at it, and it's just the sides that are soft. Like, see that right here? Just the sides. So let's try the other one. Okay, so we back. It was a fight, but I won and we got it out. I live in a very hot climate. This is not a good time to make soap, but it's going to be fine. Never sweat the small stuff. You know what I'm saying? Not necessary. So I already have the soap load inside of my cutter. And all I'm going to do, as you can see, is bring it down. And they like guitar strings, right? So all nice and soft. See that? Now I'm going to give you one of my tips, Glennceria Loving Hand tips. And come up close. You hear? Okay, listen. I actually dip it in ice water. Don't tell anybody. I'm only playing, but yeah, it is a good secret. So here, I know that it's very soft, but we also use soft oils. So now I take it. Can you see my ice? I have a bowl of ice right here, and I'm going to just lay it down into the ice. And I can take a couple of bars. For me, this puts a shine on it, and it also prevents soda ash. Cure my soap for 8 weeks. To me, it's like wine. It gets better with time. Don't worry, it's kind of messy, but it's okay. You'll live. You're making soap. It's okay. Look at that. Very soft. I guess I could have gave it a couple of days. That's all right. Big bar of soap, right? Nice and big. My soap bars are actually like between 4.5 to maybe 5 ounces. Look at that. Look how pretty. Isn't that beautiful? You see the little swirls in it? Let's wet it. See what it look like wet. I see all the little bentonite clay specks in it. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful, right? Over to the side here. Very subtle, not a lot of colorant, not a lot of color on your body. I want you to experience the oils, you know, and the butters and the properties, things that are good, the benefits from all of the good ingredients that we used to make Papi Chulo's Makeover soap. So we did unmolding. Now we on to the cutting. We just finished cutting. And I just dipping them. See how you get a shine on it as you dip it? How's the ice? Actually, they love it. Look at that. Look at that. And it's soft enough where you can actually, see that? Smooth things out. Oh. Look at that. See the glitter on the top? Little body glitter. Which is eco-friendly, guys. You know that. Everything I use is eco-friendly. I wouldn't put anything in my soaps that would harm anyone or hurt anyone. I wouldn't do that. If you ever use any of Glennceria Loving Hands handmade artisan soaps or skincare treats, let me know and tell me, what did you like about it? So our family here on YouTube can, you know, get a gist of what am I all about. And check out my Instagram. Check out my Instagram and go on over to my Etsy shop. Listen, let me clean up and I'll be right back. Well, first of all, let's go over the recipe again and what I used to make Papi Chulo remake. It's getting a makeover. So things are a little different from the original recipe. Anyway, we have coconut milk, of course lye. You can't make soap without lye. Lye and oil together make soap. Together it forms a solidification. Solidification, you let it sit, it mixes, combine, and voila, we have soap, right? But the difference between soaps are what you put in yours. Right? Absolutely. So as I said, we have coconut milk, lye, of course, you need lye in order to make soap, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, I'm looking down at my recipe, guys, sunflower oil, jojoba beads, for what? Foliation. That's right, get that skin softened up, right? Absolutely. Avocado oil, vitamin E oil. The colors are mica powders, and we use neon orange, coral, matte teal green, 24 karat gold, crimson sparkle. Did y'all see my video? Yesterday's video? Please, after you watch this one, can you go back and check out my first video? Thank you. Let's talk about some of the benefits. Some of the benefits for using different oils in our soaps. Let's start with coconut milk. Coconut milk benefits. Do you know that coconut milk is enriched with vitamins B1, B3, B5, B6? It's also enriched in iron, calcium, magnesium, castor oil. Castor oil is a natural moisturizer. Have to moisturize your skin. You have to always say moisturize your hair. You also have to moisturize your skin. What do we always know? What's the biggest organ on our body? The biggest organ on our body is our skin. So whatever you put on it absorbs into your skin, okay? Castor oil also reduces acne, fights fungus, and promotes wound healing, which is great. That's excellent. And of course, there's so many other. While we unmold and cut Papi Chuto Makeover, right? Give me some suggestions on what you want me to make. Bath bombs, bath truffles, candles, body butters, hair products. Let's see what else. Oh, we have toilet bombs too. I can show you how to make toilet bombs. I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, a lot of knowledge here that I've been holding on. Listen, until the next video, love you always from Glennceria Loving Hands. Have a good day. Love you. See you in the next video, okay? Don't play with me. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. Y'all know the drill. And share my videos. You'll be surprised of how many people's been waiting. So let the word out. Glennceria Loving Hands on YouTube. Yay! Finally! Let's get the knowledge. I'm like a sponge. Let's soak it up. Let's share it with one another. Give me some tips. It smells so good. Papi Chuto Makeover, yes. Yes. Papi Chuto.